Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srinidhi and I hope you're all doing good. I mean, really good. Okay, it's a book recommendation video where I'll be suggesting top 5 thriller books. The first book recommendation or thriller book recommendation is a very renowned book which is viral in TikTok, BookTok, where not. It's this book called Silent Patient. So there's this person, the protagonist, who's called as Alicia Barenson, who is a very renowned painter, was accused of a murder. Okay, she murdered her own husband. Okay, she shot her own husband 5 times straight into his head. After this murder took place, she didn't utter a single word. Okay, for the next following 7 to 8 years, I guess, she remains silent for her entire life. So because of that, she was sent to an asylum. There she meets someone who called as Theo. He's a new doctor who's assigned to this hospital, where he encounters this strange patient, okay, who's called as Alicia. So how Theo could do something that no doctors are able to do, and why obviously the patient is not talking. It intrigued you, right? I thought, okay, I mostly believe that whatever book that you see in Book Talk, okay, which is very famous, does not really have to be good. Okay, that's the notion which I always have when I'm reading a book. When someone likes something, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to like that book too. I completed reading this book within a day. It's one among the best thriller reads I've read. Please be hooked up till the end. There's a lot awaiting you. Second book that we're gonna talk about today is The Housemaid. It's written by one of my favorite authors when it comes to thriller, Frida McFadden. Oh my god. She is a talented writer. Okay. So this book actually revolves around the protagonist, who's called as Millie, who is looking for a job. So fortunately, she gets a job as a housemaid. She goes into the Winchester family, where she meets the mistress of the house, who's called as Nina Winchester, and she also has a husband and a kid. Okay. So when she goes into the house, she unlocks secrets in this house. Something, no, the house, which appears very perfect from outside, has lot of lies, lot of secrets buried in this house. And what she finds inside this house, what's awaiting her, is something that you should all be ready for, because I can't take it. So that's much how I can talk about this book right now. If you want a full review, please check my description. I have given a separate review about this book. Third book which I could actually recommend is a very underrated book written by an Indian author. This book is called as A Girl in the Glass Case. I can't even digest what I just read. It's a wonderful. The writing was very easy. It just made me hooked up till the end. Okay, it's that read which I recommend all the readers who want to jump into thriller. So it's one of the best reads that I've read. The fun part about the story is there are two serial killers. One police chasing these two, and one among the serial killers get jealous of the other. One is called as Clipper. The other is the new, let us name that serial killer as a new serial killer. So this Clipper was getting all these attentions, okay, from all these years, and now suddenly some new serial killer creeps into the scene. This Clipper doesn't like the attention shifting from him to this new serial killer. The clash happening between these two serial killers, and how the police Simon is finding these two serial killers, and the plot will make you think, oh my god, what the fuck I just read. This author is brilliant, and it will also make you to read other works of this author. Please read this book. This is like my top recommendation among those 5 books that I'm recommending to you. Fourth book that I would recommend is Verity. This is one of the books that I've read when I was getting interest in thriller reads more than any other genre. So this book revolves around the protagonist, who's called as Lowen, who's a struggling author who's not getting much opportunities to release or publish her book. She meets a person who's called as Jeremy, who hires her to complete the remaining books of his own wife, who's called as Verity. So talking about Verity is a very famous author, very renowned author. She's known for her legendary work, but somehow due to a car accident, she couldn't complete her book. So her husband has hired someone to complete this book. Lowen comes to the place where Jeremy lives. No, why? Because in the house, in the villa, there's this office of Verity. So to continue someone's novel or book, you should understand that book first, and more importantly, you have to understand the author's writing style as well. You can't give a sudden shift of writing in the rest of the book. So she goes into the house, she explores everything, she explores her entire office, but there she finds an autobiography written by Verity. It describes Verity as a very selfish person, how much she's obsessed with her own husband. Something very weird happens in this house around her, and she doesn't feel safe anymore. So what happens next is the story. And I really like the Verity character. There's one debate going on, if you know, the book talk, letter or the manuscript. I don't know what to believe. You read the book and leave it on the comment section. So last and the final book that I will really talk about is Rock, Paper, Scissors. Rock, Paper, Scissors is another fantastic book that gave me chills. I can still remember what happened very clearly. It's been 2 months since I read that book. So let's talk about the book. This book revolves around the two major characters, Amelia and Adam, who are struggling in their marriage. And what happened, Amelia went on a trip to Scotland where they live in a very strange church, chapel, where both of them, Amelia and Adam, knows that something is wrong within their relationship, so they want to fix their relationship. That's why they both agreed to go to this particular place and let's get some art time for ourselves. Okay, once they go in there, things turn out to be bad. They actually felt like someone is stalking them. Something is not right about this place. So this might really give you a notion that this book is it's a very normal plot that you all come across. Some people going in the house and something creepy happens, but no. I don't want to reveal anything further. So, who's the stalker stalking them? Is it really safe to live there? That's the story revolves around. So, these are the 5 book recommendations that I really wanted to recommend you guys. So, after reading this, please do comment on which book you liked the most, or if you have already read one of the books, please do comment which one is the best among these. For me, I think it would be The Girl in the Glass Case. If you like such kind of bookish content, please subscribe me for such more kind of bookish content. Bye.